Good morning, everyone. This is Esther with Esther Buys Houses. Today is Thursday, September 12th. So anyways, just letting you guys know that I do have another property here in the Northeast. It needs some work. It's a 4 bedrooms, 2 bath. It's out here by McCombs and 54, if you know where that's at. It's really close to everything. It's in a really quiet neighborhood. It's off like in the corner. Anyways, this house needs a little bit of work if you're handy and you don't mind fixing it up little by little. It's selling as is, $99,000. I do have a lender that will lend you the money for this house, but he requires a down payment and closing costs. So it's more or less you would need about $17,000 for the down and closing all together. So give me a call as soon as you can, because these houses just don't last that long. It is very livable. Just needs a little bit of work. It's mainly carpet that needs to be replaced, some doors, it may be a good cleaning and so forth. So anyways, it's got a huge kitchen. I love this kitchen because it's got a lot of counter space, and I'm the type where I like to cook, so I need counter space. So anyways, guys, get with me as soon as you can. Again, it's selling as is. All you need to know is, all you need to have is $17,000 to be able to get this house. You're getting it about $36,000 less than market value, so it's got equity. So it's got equity. I don't know how much more to say it, but it's a really good house. Huge kitchen, huge dining room area for families and stuff. So my number, 915-247-8882. Again, 915-247-8882. All right, guys, looking forward to talking to you. Take care. Bye-bye.